Amazing health benefits of cranberries. Cranberries are beneficial to the heart. You can using some fresh cranberries in your breakfast or drink a glass of cranberry juice. Can give you the best health benefits. Cranberry fruit can treat urinary tract infection. Drink 2 to 3 glasses of fresh cranberry juice daily. Cranberries can improve brain function. Cranberries are great for preventing cancer. Drink a glass of fresh cranberry juice daily. Cranberries can help prevent tooth decay. Mix some cranberry powder with baking soda and use it as a toothpaste to brush your teeth. Cranberries can reduce bad cholesterol. Mix some cranberries with honey and lemon juice and drink a glass of this mixture in the morning. Cranberries can prevent kidney infections. Mix some cranberry extract with lemon juice and apple cider vinegar and watch the kidney stone problem will disappear. Cranberries can help in losing weight. Mix some cranberries with lemon juice to make desired cranberry juice. Cranberries can improve the immune system. You can also mix lemon juice and honey with cranberry juice to increase the benefit. Cranberries can prevent stomach ulcers. Mix some cranberries with fresh lemon juice and honey to get the benefits. Diabetes can be controlled with cranberries. Take some fresh cranberries and add apple cider vinegar in it to make the best solution for diabetes problem. Acne can be treated with cranberries. Mix some cranberry juice with orange peel powder along with some honey and apply it on your face as a mask. That was video about cranberry benefit. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment.